Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Prime English Academy. This is Shamsur Rahman once again with another new video. In this video, I'll be talking about the IELTS speaking test. How long is the speaking paper? The speaking test is an interview with an examiner that lasts between 11 to 14 minutes. What will you need to talk about? The interview has three separate parts. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Part 1 4 to 5 minutes, Part 2 3 to 4 minutes and Part 3 4 to 5 minutes. In Part 1, the examiner will ask you questions about familiar topics, for example, like and dislikes and daily routine. In Part 2, the examiner will give you a booklet showing a topic and some suggestions on it. You need to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have about 1 minute to write notes before you begin. The examiner may ask you some follow-up questions. In Part 3, the examiner will ask you more detailed and more abstract questions linked to the topic in Part 2. How is the speaking paper assessed? The examiner will listen carefully to answers and will assess your speaking according to the following these criteria. 1. Fluency and coherence. 2. Lexical richness. 3. Grammatical range and accuracy. 4. Pronunciation. Fluency and accuracy. Do you speak in a fluent way that is easy to understand? Do you link your ideas together clearly? Lexical richness. Can you use accurately or attempt to use a wide range of vocabulary accurately and effectively? Can you explain your idea even if you don't know a particular word? Can you use or attempt to use higher level vocabulary accurately? Grammatical range and accuracy. Can you use a wide range of grammatical structures rather than repeating basic structures? Are your sentences accurate or do you often make grammatical mistakes? Pronunciation. Is your spoken language clear and easily understood? Do you use stretch and intonation to add extra meaning? I think you have understood all the criteria of IELTS speaking test. Thank you very much for watching this video.